Guys, so in this video we'll look at another variant of the while loop. It is called as the do while loop. So the difference is that if you look at the particular while loop, once the line number 16 is executed, when the execution comes to line number 17, it will first check for this condition. Only if this condition is valid, if it is true, then the looping will begin and will continue. So let's say when by the time it came to this line number 17 for the very first time, the condition itself was false, then directly go into line 22 and end things. But there is another variant of this, which is called as the do while loop. And the difference with the do while loop is that this is how you will have to write do something and then tell while over here. So the only difference would be that for the very first time when you come to the line number 17, there is no condition at all. Irrespective of whatever the situation is, this line is going to execute once. Also the line number 20, and only then after the execution of line 19 and 20 for the very first time without checking any condition, then the line number 21 will execute where we check for a condition, and the rest of the flow depends on this condition. So for the very first time, we are just going to rely on uh, this particular code over here. There is no condition at all, and it's just going to execute. So that's the difference between while and do while. Again, this can be useful in some of the scenarios, so it's good to know that you have this kind of an looping concept as well. Just let us execute once to check if everything is fine or not. So let me say 6 times this time, and it prints for the 6 times. So that's all in this video about the do while loop. Let's meet in the next video.